My name is Joshua A. Caalim of Team BACPD of Pseudo Robotics, and in this video I'm gonna be sharing with you guys the basic stuff on using the Raspberry Pi, which is the turning on and off the LED. So first, of course, let's talk about the components that we're gonna be using, or we're going to need in performing the task or the activity. So first, we need the Raspberry Pi, of course, as the microcontroller, and next is the breadboard and jumper wires to connect it to the GPIO pins and create circuit, of course. And what else? Resistor, of course. Resistor, which is to for controlling or providing an exact amount that is being received in or by the LED. So to further discuss or to elaborate, here's the actual video on how to perform the activity, which is how to turn on and off the LED. I hope you guys enjoy it.